Hi friends, I'm Tawni Rose and I'm installing Kai Twist for the first time, so let's jump into it. I'm starting with freshly washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried hair, and the hair that I'm going to be using is the Leon Yeri, I think that's how you pronounce it, crochet braids or Kai Twist. That was sent to me, thank you very much good people, and the color is this mixed blonde color. I'll have the official name in the description box and I'll talk about the hair further in the video. So first of all, I don't like having crocheted hair and I don't want to do the rubber band method, so I'm just going to braid it in. And as you can see, I've already started. I got the back done and I just want to talk about parting real quick. So parting to me is like the most important thing, but also my least favorite thing to do, obviously, because I can't see exactly what I'm doing in the back. And it's just not my thing, so I'm just out here doing the best I can. So I was using Shine and Jam for the back of my head until I ran out, and now I'm gonna be using olive oil edge control because that's all I have, and I'm just gonna put it on the roots just to keep all the hair together. Then I'm going to use my Blue Magic grease because I want that petroleum protection for the rest of my hair strands so I can retain more length. Okay, so when you order the hair on Amazon, you get 10 packs with 12 twists in each pack. It also comes with a crochet tool, which I don't need, but it's still nice. And the twist is kind of like distressed with a curl at the bottom, and it's secured by a little piece of hair that's wrapped around each one. And it's cute and all, but for my method, I need to get rid of it. So I'm just gonna cut through it and slide it off. Next, I'm going to unravel the twist, and I wish the unraveling just went just like this, just went fast. So for my Kai Twist Braid-In method, it's basically how I do any other twist. I braid it onto the hair, making like that braid knot, and then I braid it down a little bit before I get the clip and secure it so that when I twist, it won't get all twisted up. So then I take my natural hair, separate it in two, get a little bit more edge control on it, and just twist all the way down. It's super, super easy. Okay, I am finally done with my twist, and I usually spend a little time to like see how I want to style them, like what side the hair looks good on, or just different ways to wear it. That's why my face is frowned, because I'm just trying to figure it out. It's not because I don't like the twist. I love the twist, but sometimes it takes a minute for me to figure out how I want to wear them and style them and whatnot. But these are the twists, and they look really good, and stay tuned for the update. So I just wanted to give an update. It's been a couple of days, and I'm really liking these Kai twists, passion twist, pre-stretched twists, whatever we're gonna call them. They have settled in a little bit. They got a little fuzzy, so it's not too perfect, which is great for twists, because you want the most natural look as possible. I did notice the next day I had like a really, like, the back twist it slid down about this much, so I just have to redo it. And there is another one right on top of it that is doing the exact same thing. See, she starts right here, so I'm gonna fix that. I mean, I guess I could do it now and just unravel it and talk about the hair as I do the hair. The other thing about this hair is that it is really heavy for me, and it's not the fault of the hair. The hair is supposed to be, crocheted onto your cornrows, but because I decided to install it the way I did, I feel like it's making it heavier, or heavier, like having my hair out and this other hair on top of it, or blended in together. It's like, it's not supposed to be like that. That's why it's heavy. So that's fine with me. I mean, it's not unbearable, of course, but what was the other thing about the hair that I was gonna say? I do still like the color. Like, it goes with my sweater and everything. Like, it's really blended in nicely. It's really, like, it's just a good color on me. I like it a lot. So the last thing I will say about this hair is that it's really, really good. It's a really good quality of hair, and especially if you're gonna do the actual crochet method, I feel like it's great. It is weighted, so it's not gonna feel like you don't have anything on your head. And I think it's great for the technique that I decided to do. I do not like crocheting, doing the whole cornrows and the crocheting. I don't like that. And I also don't like the rubber band method. So this was kind of my only option, and it was still pretty quick to me. I think it took like 4 hours. I guess, I don't know if you're gonna call that quick or not, but for me, because I don't do these things often, I don't do protective styles to my hair often, it takes me a little bit longer, because I'm not a quick braider, or I'm not a quick twister. Like, I just kind of do my own thing, like I'm doing right now. So that's done. So yeah, it was an easy style for me to do, and I do really like this color, like, for real, for real. And I'm pretty sure that there's somebody out there that's just like me, who doesn't like to do crochet and who doesn't like to do the rubber band method, but they do want to have these kind of results. They do want to put their hair up in twists, and that's why I got this video out there for those people and anybody else who wants to watch it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now, so we can see what else we're going to cook up for 2022. If you haven't hit the notification bell, you might want to do that, because I don't want you guys to miss out all this good content that I have coming for you guys in the future, as in this year. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.